Good morning, student. Once again, welcome to you in DSS online classes. Myself, Saroj Srivastava, and today we are going to read the rest part of the reading, chapter 6, Every Drop Counts. So let's start chapter. Customs related to water. Even today, people get water from very old lakes, dharas, step well, and naulas. Many customs and festivals are related to water. At some places, whenever lakes get filled up with rainwater, the people gather around the lake to celebrate. See the bride of Uttarakhand in this picture. After getting married, she has come to the new village. She bore to the spring or ponds. In cities, one can see an interesting form of this custom. The new bride worships the tap in her home. Can we even imagine life without water? Do you have some special pots for water at your place? Look, water is being filled in this beautiful copper pot. The shining yellow part of brass is seen in the other picture. Many store carvings are also made near the place of drinking water. Have you ever seen any beautiful building near the place of water? Where? Find out. Is there a lake, well, or a step well near your house or school? Visit it and find out more about it. How old is it? Who got it built? What kind of buildings are around it? Is the water clean? Is it cleaned regularly? Who all use the water? Is there any festival celebrated at this place? Is there any water today, or is it dry? Think over it. In 1986, there was no rain in Jodhpur and surrounding areas. People remember the old and forgotten step well. They cleaned the step well and more than 200 trucks of garbage was taken out of it. People of the area collected money. The thirsty town got water from the step well. After a few years, it rained well, and again the step well was forgotten. Discuss. There are two old wells in the area where Punita lives. Her grandmother said that about 15-20 years ago, there was water in these wells. The wells could have dried up because water is being pumped up from under the ground with the help of electric motor. The lake in which rainwater used to collect are no longer there. The soil around tree and park is now covered with cement. Is there some other reason for this? Explain. The story today. Let us see the different way in which people manage water today. See page number 57 and discuss. Do you get water in your house by any of these ways? Put a tick marks on that. If you get water by some other way, write in your notebook. Now students, we will study about what are the different means of water. See in given picture number 1, a Jal Board water tanker come to our colony twice a day. We have to stand in a long queue to get water from the tanker. People at time having fight over water. And second picture, we fill water from the well. The nearby well dried up a year ago. Now we have to walk far to reach the other well. We are not allowed to take water from some of the wells because of our caste. And third, we get water at home for half an hour. We fill this in the tank to use all day. Sometimes it is dirty. And fourth, we get water from our taps all day long. And five, there is a hand pump nearby, but the water that we get from it is salty. We have to buy water for drinking. And six, we have put a pump directly in the Jal Board pipeline. Now we don't have any problem. And seven, we have put a motor to pump up the water from the borewell. But there is no electricity, so what do we do? And last, we get water from the canal itself. Discuss. Everyone has the right to live. Yet, is everybody getting enough water to live or even water to drink? Why is it that some people have to buy drinking water? Should it be like this? Water on this earth is for one and all. Some people draw out water from the ground by deep bore well. How far is it correct? Have you ever seen this? Why do some people put a pump directly in the Jal Board pipeline? What problem would other people face due to this? Do you have any such experiences? Now here given Jal Board bill. Look at this bill and tell. From which office has this bill come? Do you get a water bill at home? Find out from where it is sent. Why do you think Delhi Sarkar is written under Delhi Jal Board? In whose name is the bill? How much money do they have to pay for each month? Do you have to pay for water? How much? Is the rate of water different in different colony? Ask your elders. It can be done. There are some groups that work hard to bring water to the people of different areas. They ask the elder about the water arrangement in their times. They rebuild the old lakes and johad and also build new ones. Let us see how the group called Tarun Bharat Sangh helped Darki Mai. This is a Darki Mai. She lives in a village in the Alwar district of Rajasthan. The women of the village used to spend the entire day looking after their home and animals. Sometimes it took them all night to pull water from the well for the animals. In the summer, when the wells dry up, they had to leave the village. Darki Mai heard about this group and asked for help. Together, the people from the group and the village decide to make a lake. The problem of food and water for animals is now less. People get more milk, they have started earning more. Have you ever read this kind of news in any newspaper? How did people solve their problem of water? Did they repair and reuse any old lake or a step well? Now the chapter your reading parts are finished. Good day.